National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, outlets to be installed in bathrooms to protect against electrical shock hazards. However, the code does not explicitly state whether GFCI outlets can or should disconnect all power to the bathroom. NEC Section 406.9 A1 and 406.9 A2 state that GFCI outlet shall be installed in bathrooms where receptacles are installed and that each GFCI outlet shall be clearly marked and identified. NEC Section 406.9 B states that the power supply for equipment installed in bathrooms shall be provided from a branch circuit that supplies only bathroom receptacles. Based on the code requirements, there are two possible interpretations. Firstly, GFCI outlets can disconnect all bathroom power. Some interpretations of the code suggest that Section 406.9 B requires the branch circuit supplying the GFCI outlet to also supply only bathroom receptacles. This would mean that tripping the GFCI outlet would disconnect all power to bathroom lighting, exhaust fans, and heaters. Secondly, GFCI outlets should not disconnect essential power. Other interpretations argue that essential bathroom equipment, such as lighting and exhaust fans, should not be disconnected by a GFCI outlet. They cite the following reasons. Essential bathroom equipment is necessary for safety and convenience. Disconnecting them during a GFCI trip could create hazardous conditions. NEC Section 406.9 C allows GFCI outlets to be replaced by non-GFCI receptacles in certain circumstances. If GFCI outlets disconnected all bathroom power, this exception would be rendered meaningless. To ensure both safety and code compliance, it is recommended to install GFCI outlets in bathrooms as required by the NEC. Consider using a GFCI circuit breaker that will only disconnect the GFCI outlet and not the entire bathroom circuit, and if essential bathroom equipment is disconnected by a GFCI trip, contact a qualified electrician to evaluate and correct the issue. Ultimately, the interpretation of the NEC and the specific electrical installation should be determined by a licensed electrician.